Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Ayan from Group 324. Today I will be talking about we explored the fascinating process of DNA unwinding, which is essential for DNA replication and other cellular process. DNA has a double helix structure, which means it's two strands twisted around each other to replicate or transcript. The DNA strand need to process the separate a process we call unwinding. Let's dive into the kinetics of the unwinding. Theory of unwinding. In 1964, Fock proposed the model to explain the how DNA unwinding. According to theory, the two halves of the double helix structure move independently at any given time. A part of the helix might be unwinding, while the other might be rewinding. Now, at the beginning of the standard separation, the DNA tightly packed, making it difficult to rewind the right away. This energy buildup and helps push the standard apart, promoting the unwinding. However, over time the twisting and untwisting become more random, and eventually the helix remain mostly unwound. Kinetics variable and equation. To measure the process, scientists treat the number of the rotation replication by n relative irregular velocity n of the DNA helix. Unwinding does not go to forever. It have a lower limit called T lower and upper limit called T upper. The initial irregular velocity V naught helps estimate this limit. As time passes, the unwinding slow down to become a more stable process. Fock theory also point out the unwinding follow creating law like the argument equation. The equation tell us how temperature affect the rate of the unwinding. Experimental observation. Experimental by research like Warkaskin and Adoquine have provided the insight into the DNA unwinding by heating the DNA 5 to 20 degrees Celsius. The notice two main steps in the process. In the first step, lobe create. In the second, the lobe fully unwinding. To study defect DNA, scientists use the kinetics formaldehyde method. This method involves the adding formaldehyde, which bind to the DNA highlights area where the structure in distribution